look at that trash can. It's Daniel.
What the hell? Show the address. What are you doing?
I'm not showing the address.
Oh, already failed.
The address isn't right there.
Hey everybody, it's Zycres. Or I should say, hey OG squad. Hey family. Hey. I am vlogging on a rare occasion because I thought you guys would enjoy seeing sort of a day in the life, but I needed something interesting to do. So today, I'm gonna be shipping some things for eBay that I've been selling. So, you know, if you guys are wondering, I use eBay and I sell stuff because I need to make some extra money. So you can show them what I got right there. I'm selling some Pokemon cards, some old vintage boys, vintage, straight from 1999. That's when I was born. You guys are gonna see some A-class, A1 driving. Oh, I also got to return my textbook too, chemistry book from college. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of stuff though, you know, because it's something that I don't usually show. This is like Zycres off stream. Oh yeah, by the way, shouts out to my sister. She's holding the camera today. She's working it out, so thanks to her. But are you not gonna say anything?
Hi guys. OG squad.
Hey, too much promo. Jeez.
I promoted
Look
you.
at how terrible this red stoplight is. Like, you have to dip your neck into it. Oh, by the way, also Merry Christmas, you know, past Merry Christmas to everybody. And I hope you guys are just having a good time with your families or friends and or friends for the holidays. And then Happy New Year's in case I don't make a video for New Year's. I don't know if I will or not because I'll be out of town as well because I was out of town for Christmas.
Yeah,
I don't want to force anything, you know? I'm not trying to force anything and come up with anything that's not natural to say. But I seriously hope you guys all had a great time, man. All of your wishes came true, whatever it is. And that your families are all great and safe and fine.
Oh, that's cute. Wait, does it get copyrighted if we sing it?
Not if we sing it way differently. Like, say if we sounded the exact same. And then if it just sang in.
Oh, if we were like Travis Scott?
So if I do sound the exact same, so it won't get copyrighted. That Travis Scott concert was amazing, by the way. Thank you to everybody who checked out that vlog as well. The Travis Scott concert vlog. We'll be doing more vlogs at concerts, guys. Like, I just love concerts. I really fucking do. And I love these artists and I love the music. You guys gotta comment also, like, is Jenny doing a good job with the camera? Because if she's not, then she's not getting paid.
Like I do.
Okay, yeah. But your family, so you get a family discount.
Come on now, you're gonna show your good driving skills.
I am. I'm driving amazingly right now. For reals. Call me Daytona.
Okay, buddy.
I'm actually driving great.
What y'all think?
What y'all think? What the heck?
I gotta be a vlogger too.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't know. Cameramen usually don't do that for people.
Yes, they do.
They just say respond if the vlogger asks them something. You peasants. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, dude, that person's looking at us.
What, dude?
We're vlogging here, bruh. Don't look.
Which one?
The one to our right. He was looking to our right. Oh my gosh, you don't know, right?
No, because like he wasn't looking. Because I already looked that way. I already checked and he wasn't looking at us.
The streets showing this don't matter. It's not like we're at home. Jenny, it's not like we got millions of subs.
I mean, Daniel, you never know.
They're gonna be tracking us down. We're gonna find Zycres' home, boys. Google Maps this shit. Satellite view. So, thank you to everyone who supported the OG Squad fundraiser. Alright? I really appreciate all the support. And hopefully, I'm going to be able to get some gifts for kids. If not, then I'll be just donating the money that we did raise. Because it may not be enough to go out and buy gifts for kids. You know? So, I may just end up donating the money directly to an organization, which is Toys for Tots, because I love them and I love what they do. So that's only if it doesn't seem like we raise enough by the day of the OG Squad fundraiser. This is the last day that I'm recording this, but the video won't be up. You know, it won't be up in time for you guys to hear this in time. But it ended up being good. Like, so far we have like 52 raised, I believe. $52 raised but I still don't think that's enough to go out and buy gifts for kids and then give it to them. I think that's still money I should just end up donating directly to the organization. But it's okay. Like 52 is still better than what I did last year. Last year was like 20 something, so it fucking doubled. So who knows what could happen next year. We're almost here. By the way, I'm driving to the UPS spot, or yeah, UPS, because I need to send this stuff back like I said earlier. This is where I've been driving. I bet people are like, where the fuck is this guy driving now? Because I don't think I said the first time. Look at that. Show the scenery. Look, we got Men's Warehouse in Fresno. We got Best Western Plus, McDonald's over there. We got Burger King right here. David's Bridal, America's Tire. We got everything, dude. Beautiful mall. This is the fashion fair, but we can't get a good view on it. Oh, you should have had a good view, bro.
There wasn't a good view right there.
Sad
it only shows Forever 21.
Sad days. Yeah, it's a nice ass mall.
It is. It really is.
Even though I rarely go there. I've only been going to UPS a lot just because I started selling a bunch of shit on eBay. It's really fun. And if any of you guys have any collectibles, I would definitely recommend you sell it on eBay. Like, any things you just don't use, you know? Any games you just leave there. Because that was the case with me, man. I just have a bunch of games laying around that I don't use anymore. This is godlike driving. Holy crap.
Runs that person over.
I don't know. I ain't running no one over.
Just
I watch out, bro. Cause people pop out of nowhere, man. Some cracker tweakers out here.
Are those?
Holy, it's busy today.
Yeah, very busy, very busy.
What the fudge? This is never like this.
Let's hope he doesn't crash it too far.
I ain't crashing nothing. Alright, we gooch. Parked up. On the west. Whoa, you felt that?
Am I gonna vlog you in there?
Nah, well, hold up. It's one thing. I gotta show out the stuff. So this is what we had to send back. We got textbook, TSM, shout outs to them, man. Chemistry book, selling this Pokemon trading card game, and then Magic the Gathering cards. I don't use these shits, but that's what I'm sending back.
We out here, boys. No.
Beautiful. So we're done. We sent the stuff out. And now we're gonna get pizza for my family. You go back to the other side right now.
We outie, boys.
It feels good. It feels good when you finally send the stuff, man. It's like stress-free, but then also it wasn't too stressful. It's just, I don't know. Just that responsibility of shipping some stuff out and making sure it goes smoothly. So, they got it. They go smoothly.
Oh, look at that trash can. It's Daniel!
What the hell? See, every time I drive through here, I'm gonna pass by Wingstop and I just get that urge to just...
I'll pay for it.
Nah, dude. Nah.
For real.
But Wingstop, like, to get it for a family, it costs much more.
But I've been wanting Wingstop too.
And pizza is just, you know, $5, we gooch.
But I kind of want Wingstop too.
Nah, see, that's what this road does to you. This street right here tempts you, bruh. Oh, look at this car. Ballsy. I like it. Starbucks. I don't like Starbucks.
I like Starbucks.
Wingstop. Ah! Makes me feel some type of way. Y'all want to hear sicko mode or Obama?
Sicko mode.
Oh yeah, boys. Time for the copyright strikes. Yep. That's the only thing that sucks. Usually in car rides, I'll play this music hella loud, but
sun is down, freezing cold.
We are vlogging and I ain't trying to get copyright strike. Well, I'll cut it out. So honestly, I'm gonna do this for myself. Oh, we speeding up now. What the fuck is wrong with you, buddy?
My essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function in a
terrible drivers, bro. Terrible drivers.
You coming to
look, Fortnite airplane. Trash, get him out the game, bro. Get him out the game. what should get added to Fortnite, bro. Horses. She spread up
Look
on
at
my
that.
cheeks.
You should be like that, Daniel. Getting your workout in.
What the heck? Always. Okay, well this month has been a whole month off. This month has been wild.
Oh my. He looked at us. He made eye contact. Oh no, Daniel.
What the? You're sus, buddy.
Let's see these turns, Daniel.
You want to see these turns? You want to see this turn? This is gonna be godlike right here. Look, Daytona moves right here. I taught Daytona this during NASCAR.
Damn. Okay.
Beauty. Look, stop sign ahead. Check this out.
Doesn't stop. Damn.
We slow
Perfect
down.
stop.
We
Perfect
slow
stop.
down. This should be like, there's a lot of things to learn in this vlog. There's how to get around to UPS around Fresno. What the hell, buddy? Hello?
I want another lote.
I'm about to hit you, bruh. Okay, compadre. That's my homie right there.
Jake's house.
El Lotero, man. Oh yeah, before we get pizza though, I'm gonna stop by the ATM because I need to deposit some money.
Look at this dude. Man, I wish I could zoom in. ASMR? No, I'm kidding. Boy.
Sorry about that.
I got into a car accident. Not clickbait.
Oh my days. Bam, bam.
Jeez. Oh my days.
Oh my days. What's good? I don't like Starbucks, remember? I don't like coffee, is more what I should say.
Okay, then you could get the strawberry something.
Strawberry what?
It has like coconut milk in it.
Mmm, coconut milk. Wait, I don't like coconut.
Oh my, oh yeah, you don't.
Don't judge me, please.
We'll just figure
I use coconut
out.
shampoo sometimes.
We'll just, okay, hold the camera.
Hey guys. Make sure I have a real vlog does it. I'm just kidding. Dude, my hair is all fucked up, huh? Sticking out a little bit. Alright, we'll cut to the... We're not that comfortable yet, you know? We need a couple mil on the YouTube.
Look at the doggo though.
I know, but... Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some pizza. And he's gonna grab Starbucks.
Oh, okay. Look at these boys. Looks bomb, by the way.
Is it on?
Yep.
Well, we got Starbucks, we got the pizza, and we're heading back home now, so it's close, nearing the end of the vlog. And I hope you guys just enjoyed this. I don't know, it's like a little insight into what I do off stream. Like a kind of sort of busy day for me. Just having to go do some eBay stuff. Send it out. Get some food for my family, and yeah, it's pretty and then after I'm just gonna be streaming, so then you guys will see that. You guys already know what I do on stream, but I thought I'd give you guys a bit of my life, a little extra stuff, you know, a little spiciness, a little extravaganza. Oh dang, that girl gives no fucks. She said let me get,
She said yeet. She's like right next to
like,
it.
that train, look at that with the SIG too. Dang, she's like, that train ain't gonna hit me, bruh. We gooch.
We gooch.
Damn, she really living her life.
The train could still hit her because of
No
how
crap,
wide it is.
that thing's fat.
Yeah. Don't spell.
Oh shoot, don't show the houses, man. This is where we live now.
But everyone knows where we live.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. And we're moving anyway, so. Look at our house, boys.
Hey, chill, bro, chill. Look at this beautiful greenery right here. Middle school.
Middle school that I don't go to.
I should have.
You should have went to scan.
Life would have been way different though. That's crazy, man. One little decision like that, bro, like where you chose to go to school, could
Changes
literally
everything.
change your whole life, bro. Really.
We here, boys.
We're at home. Yum. Thank you guys for watching.
Wait, the sun.
vlog.
The sun is.
What? It's fine. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I seriously appreciate y'all, OG Squad. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed a vlog like this. It could motivate me to do more stuff like this in my life. Seriously, I appreciate you guys, those that watch till the end. comment OG Squad as well if you watch till the end, and I'll know who the real ones are. All right, much love. I appreciate you guys, and one love. All right,
one
kiss on the
love.
mouth.